In today's episode, we are going to be practicing together. We're going to be doing a long tone exercise that's going to be perfect for us developing our sound, our intonation, our airflow to get a stronger embouchure. And I know that long tone exercises can be tedious. I know they can get boring. And this is why on this new format of video, I want to make it as a play along. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate the exercise for you once. I'm going to give you an example, and then we're going to do it together. I'm going to put a metronome, and we are going to practice this exercise together. That will make it a little bit more fun, and you know, it's better to practice with someone else. So I'm right here with you, and we're going to practice this exercise. So basically, the exercise is playing a scale, a major scale. We're going to hold every note for 12 beats. 12 beats not being as long as 20 beats, which is my normal length for nice piano long tones, is going to enable us to have a more mezzo dynamic. So mezzo piano or mezzo forte. I never really understood the difference between mezzo piano and mezzo forte. So it's a little bit less piano or a little bit less forte. It's somewhere in the middle. It has a nuance, I guess. Yeah, I would play a bit softer on the mezzo piano than a mezzo forte. Anyway, a whole other discussion. So we're going to play each note for 12 beats, and then we're going to breathe for 4 beats. So let me demonstrate it for you right now. I'm going to put my metronome. I'm just using a simple metronome. I'm not using my phone and my iPad right now because otherwise I get distracted. So just a simple little metronome, whatever you have is fine. I'm going to put it on 92 beats per minute. Hope you can hear it well on the microphone. And I am going to start. So, and then continuing the whole scale. You got the example. Let's start. Let's do it together. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do breathe a little bit with my nose. Let me just process. I do breathe 2 beats with my nose and 2 beats with my mouth. We are going to be talking about breathing with the nose on this channel because I know it's very controversial. You're not supposed to do it, but I find that if you breathe a little bit with your nose when you have time, obviously not in a fast passage, but when you have time, it allows you to breathe from deeper down and to be more relaxed at the exhalation. We're going to be talking about this. I'm going to make a special video concerning that topic. But for now, let's just start on the exercise. You can play it with the video. You don't have to put the metronome because obviously you'll have the metronome from the video. What is useful also for you to have is a little mirror so that you can see if you're keeping your embouchure correct. We're going to play the major scales. We're going to start on F like I just did, and then we're going to go up half a step every time. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to give 4 beats, and then we're going to inhale for 4 beats, and then we're going to start the exercise. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. a break. Pause the metronome, just 5 or 10 seconds. One thing that I want to say, one of the good things about breathing a few beats with your nose is that you stay in the position of the mouthpiece. So if you breathe with your mouth, please try breathing in the corners unless you're doing this exercise with us and you're a tuba player, which, hey, welcome. And you need to take a breath down because the mouthpiece is too big. But for us trombone players or for trumpet players, French horn players, euphonium players, let's breathe on the side. It's, we have enough space and we just breathe with a good not O, like tuba players, but really I had this discussion with Jim Markey, not discussion, but he was telling it to me during a lesson a few years back, and it's something that we're going to talk on the channel. Let's continue. Semi-step up, so on F sharp or G flat, whichever you prefer. Okay, so 4 beats to the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds rest. Okay, remember to always keep your body relaxed. I'm gonna do a video on stretches. Every time I take a break, I think of, okay, I need to do a video like this. And this is why I was doing daily videos, and I know it's overwhelming for you, so I just take a note and I'll make them in the future. Okay, let's go on to G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. Okay, A flat. Are you guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. Relax your shoulder. Stretch a bit your chest, your upper back. A bit of lip flapping. Continue on A. And 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. Okay, and the last one for today, I think it's enough. We're getting to the B flat. There was something that I wanted to say. Yeah, really take this opportunity to do those long tones, to focus on your sound, focus on your posture, on your body. And I don't know if you've noticed, I do a lot of air attacks, so sometimes they don't sound so clean, but I find it a good exercise. I suggest that you do it too, just like breathe out and then the lips start breathing without the tongue. This will really help you work your consistency in production. So try to attack the notes without tongue. It doesn't matter if the attack is not very clean. Let's go to the B flat, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. Alright, that's it for today's exercise. A few little things to note. Of course, when it's trembling, it means that you're a little bit tired. I am myself right now. So I'm going to take a break before I do any more playing. Really, consistency in the airflow is key. Not too much pressure on the embouchure is key also. And as always, a relaxed body. That's it for today's video. If you want to receive all those play-alongs by PDF so that you can practice them, just put them on your stand and follow along with the videos, because this is the format that we're going to take on this channel from now on. You will have the notes on the screen, probably they're here somewhere. But if you want to actually have a printable version, then visit the Patreon site. I'm linking it down below in the video, and you get all the exercises and warm-ups printable, as well as all the musical play-along. So I'm going to record some music, and I'm going to record two versions, one version which is the full version and one version with some parts missing, so that you can play along with the PDF that you will receive. So make sure that you check this out if you're interested. If not, you know, I always put the music on the screen so that you can follow along. That's no problem. I also send free newsletters where I explain a few concepts in playing the trombone. I give you a few free exercises also on there, and I send that newsletter weekly every Saturday. So make sure you subscribe to this. It's completely free and it's linked below. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. We're going to be doing 3 videos weekly. I was doing daily videos, and that's because I'm really excited and I really want to continue making so many videos. I have so many ideas of different exercises that I want to show you, but I realize that you do need time for all those exercises to sink in. So we're going to be doing 3 videos per week, which is more than enough actually. In one of the videos, I'm going to be talking about some concept about practicing, or about the trombone, or about equipment, something like this. One video we're going to be doing some technical play-alongs, and the third video is going to be music. Either I play something, or I create a play-along, or multi-track. It's something related to music. If it's an etude, if it's an arrangement, if it's anything actually, if it's mine, if it's original material, not if it's from another book, then you will get them in your package if you're a Patreon, patron, P-A-T-R-O-N, patron. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please continue practicing these exercises at home. Practice with the metronome, try to practice with the mirror, a tuner as well. Also, I miss it right now when I'm playing with the camera. I wish I had the tuner in front of me, because I heard there were some tuning mistakes. Practice it all over the range. You can take more time to rest. Obviously, we're not resting so much in the video because I'm making the video and we're together, but when you're alone at home, take, you know, like 30 seconds, maybe a minute rest between each scale, and go through the whole range. So go as low as you can and go as high as you can also. So yeah, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you know, have fun practicing, have fun playing the trombone. Try to commit yourself to at least half an hour a day. I think that's the minimum to be able to make any kind of consistent progress. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Bye.